व्हाट इज़ हार्ट मर्मर? काफ़ी कॉमन है कि पेशेंट्स पूछते हैं व्हाट इज़ हार्ट मर्मर. Heart murmur is an abnormal sound produced because of turbulence of blood across the valves. So, if your valve is diseased, either it has narrowing or it has leakage, then it will produce an abnormal sound while passing through that abnormally diseased valve. That sound is known as murmur. Cardiologists use a stethoscope to diagnose abnormal heart sounds or murmur. So, whenever your common general practitioners or doctors say that there is an abnormal sound from your heart or murmur, it is an indication that there is likely to be a structural problem of the heart, and echocardiogram will be recommended to diagnose this disease.